we know well about all women. All women are bold enough to achieve anything in this world. The 9th line, strong is she in their faith and belief. So she is strong, very strong in their faith and beliefs. She is never a quitter, or she is persistence. And 10th line, persistence is the key to everything. Here in this line, persistence means continuous effort, a hard work. So she wants to achieve her goal. She wants to achieve something. She wants to reach the goal with her hard work. So she is never a quitter. She is persistent. She works tirelessly to prove what they are capable of doing something. So she doesn't want to withdraw her goal. 11th line, the poet says she, despite the sighs and groans and moans. She, in 12th line, she is strong in her faith and firm in her belief. So, though she has difficulties in her life, she is strong in her faith and belief. She is very strong. She is always facing difficulties in her life. Compared to men, all women are facing difficulties in their life because she has multifaceted. She has multiple roles in the society. She is a mother, she is a daughter, she is a housewife, she is a doctor, she is an engineer. So she has multiple roles in the society. So even though she is facing difficulties in their life, she is strong in their faith and belief. In the 13th line, the poet says that the poet compares the woman, she is a lioness. So the poet compares the woman as a lioness. So she is a lioness. She is a ferocious like a lioness. She is bold enough to face anything like a lioness. So in the 13th line, the poet says that she is a lioness, don't mess with her. Here in this line, mess with means interfere with. So we should not interfere with the affairs of a woman. We should not disturb her. We should not trouble her. So she is a lioness, don't mess with her. She will not. In the 14th line, the poet says that she will not spare you if you are a fraudster. Suppose if anyone does wrong to any woman, definitely they will get punishment. She will not excuse. Definitely those who are doing wrong to any woman definitely will be punished. So we should be careful. Don't ever try to saw her pride or her self-respect. In this line, the poet says that we should not bring disgrace to her pride or self-respect. So always we should respect her. So we should never bring disgrace to her pride or self-respect. And because woman is our sister, our mother, so we should respect her. In the 16th line, the poet says that she knows how to thaw you soil, so beware. Here the word thaw and saw means tackle, how to tackle, how to deal with. So however, suppose anyone do anything to her, she knows how to deal with the problem, how to tackle the problem, she knows well. So in our day, there are many laws in favor of women. So nowadays, the government has enacted many laws for euthanizing, for harassment. So she knows, so everyone knows the legal remedy, how to solve her problems. She knows well. In the 17th line, the poet says that she is today's woman dear. So she is the woman of today. So the 18th line, love her, respect her, keep her near. So it is our duty to respect her, love her, and always we should keep her near. So the poem is a very beautiful poem. So this poem, the poetess says that the modern woman is a beautiful and powerful and strong. She is very optimistic, expecting the spring after winter in her life. She takes care of her family. She is fearless in spite of facing trials and tribulation in life, in spite of facing any difficulty in her life. She has a strong will. She gives a strict warning to those who want to harm her. So anyone insult, definitely he will spare them. So it is duty of everyone to love her, respect her. So she must be loved, respected, and to be kept with due care. So this poem is a memory poem. All children must memorize the poem and go write and see and send the memory poem to me through the WhatsApp. Thank you, students.